Oh, that's an interesting question from an economy perspective. If you'll see, India is projected to be the fastest growing economy over this decade. Let me put some context to it. If you'll see the other economies, be it Japan, be it China, the US and Britain, they are aging economies. And India being, a vibrant economy, the demographic is on our side, right? And if you will see from a perspective of the sectors what we are working, or especially the BFSI sector, right? It is the growth engine for Indian economy. It contributes almost 16% to the Indian economy, or the GDP, right? So from that perspective, when the capital is required for the growth of any economy, BFSI sector is certainly going to provide that capital. In today's world, latency is the new downtime, right? And how is that? I'll put a context to it. Because of the proliferation of always on internet services, and if you look at another aspect to it is the affordable smartphones, right? So both of these important aspects have given power to every individual, right, into their palm, right? So if you see what we do online, or through smartphones, right? If you have to order something on an online trading platform, or if you have to do a phone bill payment, right, or an electricity bill payment, right, everything is just at your fingertips. Now if you look from a customer perspective or a consumer perspective, if this application is taking time, right, now that's where the whole aspect of latency comes into play, and the customers switch to different provider, right? So that's how is the context about the digital economy. Because if you'll see in today's world, it is not about digital loyalty, it is about digital preference. Oh, excellent question. Redis is a real-time data platform, and when we say real-time data platform, it gives you fast access to your data. If you'll see, Redis will give you an access to your data in sub-milliseconds, right? And vis-a-vis compared to other providers who will give you the access in hundreds of milliseconds, right, with the traditional databases, right? So that's where Redis is highly popular into segments like banking and financial services, gaming, or if you'll see media and entertainment, and retail customers, right? So that's how Redis is popular. So when we work with client, we don't work from a perspective that what is that I have. We work with client from a customer centric perspective, where what is that client is looking for, be it financial services, banking. Into financial services, we have got a lot of customers from trading platform perspective. If you will see, we have got customers from gaming and other industries as well. So we work from a use case perspective, right? And if you will see in banking and financial services, we have use cases around UPI, mobile and internet banking, and if you will see around core banking. So that is what we have different use cases into banking ecosystem. Another use case is when we are working with banking clients, the use case is about fraud prevention, because every CIO has got a challenge, because he has to look at approving right value and right volume of transactions, but at the same time have to see at whether there is any fraud. That fraud prevention has also be taken care. So that's where Redis comes into play and gives both of best of both the worlds to ensure the transaction happens on time and in a secure way.